Hello everyone. Today we will learn about finding the roots using completing the square method to factorize a quadratic equation. This method we generally use when we are not able to factorize a quadratic equation using midterm split method. So before I will explain this method, subscribe my channel. So the question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. The first thing which you have to take care is if there is any coefficient with x square, we have to remove that coefficient. So what we will do here, we will divide both sides with 2. Then we'll get 2x square by 2 minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 and 0 by 2 means equals to 0. 2 and 2 will cancel here. We'll get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Now, if you will see, we have a square minus 2ab, but we don't have the value of b square. To find out the value of b square, what we have to do, we always need to divide this term, which we have already taken as 2ab with 2. So 7 by 2x divided by 2 can be written as 7 by 2x divided by 2 by 1. 7 by 2x into 1 by 2, which is equals to 7 by 4x. So we can write this equation as x square minus 2 into the term we have written here, x into 7 by 4. That means a is x and b is 7 by 4. Now, after that, we have to write down plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Now, why we have to write here b square minus b square? So that it will cancel and again we will get the same equation, the original equation. After this, we can write this equation as a minus b whole square because this equation represents a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, we'll get x minus 7 by 4 whole square. We'll open this. We'll get minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. We will get x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus, since LCM is 16, we'll write on here 16 minus 49 plus 3 into 8. Because when we multiply 2 with 8, we'll get 16. So we have to multiply 3 with 8. I hope you already know how to find out LCM and solve the fractions. X minus 7 by 4 whole square plus minus 49 plus 24 over 16 is equals to 0. Then we'll get x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus minus 25 by 16 is equals to 0, which can be written as x minus 7 by 4 whole square plus into minus is minus 25 over 16 is equals to 0. X minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square is equals to 0. Since we got the equation in the form of a square minus b square, we can write it as a plus b and a minus b. So a here is x minus 7 by 4 plus b here is 5 by 4 into a minus b, which is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this part. We will get plus, let's take a bracket, minus 7 plus 5 by 4, 4 is the LCM. And in the similar way, in the other bracket, we can write x plus, take a bracket, minus 7 minus 5 LCM is 4 and then is equals to 0. So in the first bracket we'll get x plus minus 7 plus 5 is equals to minus 2 by 4. And in the second bracket we'll get x plus minus 12 by 4 is equals to 0. Minus 2 by 4 can be written as minus 1 by 2 and minus 12 by 4 can be written as minus 3 is equals to 0. So plus into minus is minus 1 by 2. Plus into minus is minus 3 is equals to 0. So we can write either x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1 by 2, or x minus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 3. This way, we can factorize any quadratic equation by using completing the square method, and we can find out the values of x. I have already explained this method in the simplest way I can explain. So, if you have understood the whole method very well, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share my videos with your friends. Have a nice day.